DJ Flame It Up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiana and we are here today because we are getting rid of 2 deep conditioners today because I'm all about getting rid of products of 2020. I'm mixing 2 deep conditioners together. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like the video when it's over, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the 2 deep conditioners that I have right now that we're getting rid of, my michebeauty peppermint candy cane deep conditioner. So this is a protein deep conditioner. I only have a drop left. This needs to go. There's no reason why I need to hold on to this. And I am also getting rid of the Shea Moisture Hydrate Repair and Protein Treatment. And I have about, a drop left in there as well. So I am noticing that I go through a lot of products faster, especially my deep conditioners. So yeah, I'm going to mix these 2 together in a bowl. They both are protein treatments, so I'm getting the benefit of both. They both smell amazing, so I know my hair is going to smell like a shea butter something mixed with candy cane. So I have my mixing bowl, my spoon here. So I'm just going to take everything out. Now this deep conditioner is really thick. I am going to use my Curadew. This is how much is the first scoop. It's going to be amazing. I love both of these deep conditioners, especially when I use my hair steamer. It just moisture. I am also protein treating my hair because I am getting a protective style in a couple of days. So I just want to make sure my hair is nice and strong and moisturized. So I have that in there. Now we have this one, straight peppermint, guys. And this one is more creamy. So you can just see it. I'm going to add a little bit of my growth oil inside just to make it a little bit smooth when mixing. I know that my hair is going to come out perfectly fine, but I just can't wait to feel the application process on my hair. It smells really good. It's nice and creamy. Alright, so you guys are pretty close, but it's alright. So we're going to start with the back section. Alright. Nice, smooth consistency. Alright, so right off the back you can feel the moisture. And you can see the curl definition. If you see curl definition, that means there is moisture in your hair. And my hair is definitely absorbing it because you don't even see the product. Alright, now, okay, so this feels great. It feels really good. So I'm going to twist this up. So my thoughts real quick, I really do like this. You can feel the moisture, and these are protein treatments, but again, they're moisturizing protein treatments, so you get the best of both. But you can feel the moisture, which is what I was going for. Alright, so these are my 2 sections. Super moisturizing, so I'm excited about that. I think this is a good combo. So I'm going to finish off with the rest of my hair, so you can just watch me do that.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that.
Alright, so I'm all finished applying the deep conditioner all over my hair. My hair feels amazing. I did use it all basically. So right now I'm going to sit underneath a plastic bag and a towel for about 20 minutes, and I will be back to show you how my hair looks when I wash it out. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just finished washing out the deep conditioner. And let's just take out the front here. My hair feels super soft, and you can see the definition. Hair smells good too, and I can really say this was very successful. I can just feel the oils on my hands, so that means my hair is super moisturized. So I am really excited about this little combo concoction that I did. We're getting rid of products, guys. We're getting rid of products, and I highly suggest you do that as well. If you have a little bit of one product and you have some of another product, just add them together and get rid of them. There's no reason why you need to be struggling to get rid of products. Just let them go. So yes, these two together were a great product combo, and I'm really excited to have done this because that's like 2 more products that I just got rid of, and it's only February, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Kingston Curves. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.